So it's June 21st, which is officially Carly's 6-month birthday, and you can tell she's super excited about it. She loves the doorway jumper. Just goes crazy with it. Good thing it's got bumpers on it. What are you doing, silly one? You're coming all the way up off the ground. Oh yeah? Are you having fun? I would say so. Goodness gracious, you're making me dizzy. Yeah, you're making me dizzy. Crazy girl. Our big 6-month-old girl. At least this will wear her out. Yeah, it will. Are you tired? Are ya? I guess not. Are you supervising while Mom and Dad cook dinner? Yeah? Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Silly one. You're just having a ball. We need taller doorways, it looks like. Dad's got to figure out a way of making it shorter for you, huh? Yep. All right, Mom's got to finish cooking dinner. Okay, bye-bye.